I got this Rode Lavalier Go from Amazon. So in this video, I'm gonna open it and test it to see how it sounds. So this is pretty simple. That just a lavalier Mac, and you see that this is lavalier Go and have a little pop shield and a lava clip and a pouch. So just like this, and it's super neat, and you can store is very good. This part is super nice. The line is very thin, and the plastic kind of hard, and the metal is solid, and here the handle is big. So on the other side, the clip is very solid, very strong. This is the lens. I fold it. The metal here is super strong, and the clip is made of metal, and here a little pop shield, but it doesn't stop the wind very well. So just let you know that if you're going outside, you interview, it's not enough if it's pretty windy, so just keep in mind. And the handle's quality is pretty good. And now I'm going to put this one on. You see, this is another one. So what I'm trying to do, because I'm using the wireless Go, I usually just clip like this, or just clip like this. So I usually do this, right? It's kind of okay, but it's just too big. So what I'm trying to do is just to hide it. Right now I'm gonna take that off. Now you can see that it's from the wireless Go. This is the sound from wireless Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm plug that in. So this is from the lavalier Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is from the lavalier Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how big the difference is, but I just put it back and hide it into my pocket. So I think this is just better, right? And I got two because I got wireless Go 2 and two microphones. So in this way, I'm kind of both got the lavalier. So it's very easy to do the interview. And because it doesn't have the screws, so it just plug that in. Just be careful that you don't pull. If you pull, it can get lost, right? So if you don't pull, that's fine. And just make sure that when you do the recording, you just double check it works. All right, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.